When considering FastComet for your web hosting and website software, there are 12 important things you need to know before making a decision. We'll compare it to other web hosting services so you can understand what sets it apart and where it might fall short. Stick around till the end to find out if it's really the best choice for your website. First up, FastComet offers solid performance with a global network of data centers. Unlike some competitors like Bluehost or HostGator, which have fewer server locations, FastComet's distributed infrastructure can boost your website's speed no matter where your visitors are located. This is key if you're targeting an international audience. Next thing, let's talk customer support. FastComet provides 24/7 live chat support, and their team is generally responsive and helpful. While some providers like SiteGround offer similar support, FastComet has a reputation for going the extra mile in resolving issues quickly and efficiently, making it a solid option if you prioritize customer service. The third thing to consider is their pricing. FastComet's plans are competitive, but they can get expensive after the first term. They offer low introductory prices, but you might see renewal rates that are higher than some of the more budget-friendly providers like Bluehost or A2 Hosting. Just be aware that while FastComet offers value up front, the renewal pricing might catch you off guard. The fourth thing, storage and scalability. FastComet offers SSD storage by default, which is faster and more reliable than traditional hard drives. This is great for performance, especially when compared to hosts like GoDaddy, which often uses slower storage options. However, if you need high-end scalability, you might want to explore more specialized providers. Now the fifth thing, FastComet is known for its no-risk, 45-day money-back guarantee. This sets it apart from many competitors like Hostinger, which offer shorter trial periods. If you're uncertain about making a commitment, FastComet gives you ample time to test their service risk-free. The sixth thing, speed. While FastComet provides great server performance, they're not always the fastest on the market. In some cases, competitors like WP Engine have been shown to offer superior loading speeds, especially for high-traffic sites. So, if speed is a top priority, you might want to keep that in mind. The seventh thing is website backups. FastComet provides free daily backups with its hosting plans, which is more generous than some competitors like GoDaddy that charge extra for backup services. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your site is protected in case something goes wrong. The eighth thing, ease of use. FastComet's control panel is user-friendly, especially for beginners, which makes it easy to manage your hosting account and website. If you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time learning complicated systems, FastComet's interface is a major plus compared to more complex options like A2 Hosting. Moving to the ninth thing, security. FastComet includes free SSL certificates, daily security monitoring, and firewall protection with its hosting plans. While some competitors like HostGator offer similar features, FastComet's emphasis on security makes it a reliable choice for keeping your website safe. Next, the 10th thing, content management system, CMS, support. FastComet supports popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Magento. Whether you're building a blog or an online store, FastComet integrates well with these platforms, which is something they share with many competitors. However, if you're looking for a more specialized hosting environment, options like WP Engine are better optimized for WordPress. The 11th thing is uptime reliability. FastComet boasts a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is solid, but not the best in the market. Providers like SiteGround have been known to consistently offer slightly better uptime, so if you require ultra-reliable service, you might want to compare before committing. Finally, the 12th thing, value for money. FastComet is a good option if you're looking for affordable web hosting with plenty of features, but it does tend to be pricier than the most basic plans from competitors like Hostinger, which might provide more basic services at a lower cost. To sum it up, FastComet is a solid choice for web hosting if you value performance, support, and security. But if you're looking for something that offers better speed, pricing, or specific features, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it suits your needs even better.